Prediksi mantan Panglima TNI Jenderal Purnawirawan Gatot Nurmantio bahwa Indonesia akan mengalami disintegrasi bangsa jika pemilu 2024 berlangsung curang, agaknya bakal menjadi kenyataan. Pasalnya, setelah Mahkamah Konstitusi menolak gugatan sengketa Pilpres 2024 yang dimohonkan Paslon 01 Anies Mohaimin dan Paslon 03 Ganjar Mahfud, Senin tanggal 22 April tahun 2024, setelah itu bermunculan video-video yang memperlihatkan upaya Aceh, Papua dan Maluku untuk merdeka, lepas dari Indonesia. Upaya itu mereka lakukan di tingkat internasional, tepatnya di PBB.
Allahu Akbar!
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah. Asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Hayya 'alas The military occupation is violate United Nations Charter because of the mining conspiracy. So the mining conspiracy, Freeport mining loose in Cuba, so the interest in our mining. So Rockefeller support Indonesian to occupy my territory. That's why today our parents, our elder fighting then, today we continue to fighting. And today, we set up the political organization and military organization to fight against colonialism of Indonesia. And our military organization we call West Papua National Liberation Army. And our political organization for diplomacy in the United Nations. And today, our West Papua National Liberation Army fighting in the war because we defend our ancestral land because the occupation of Indonesia. So today, Indonesians send 1,000 soldiers to West Papua, and then they kill women, children, and make 36,000 people running, leaving their village and going to the jungle forest as refugees. And then Indonesian kidnaps some civilian, and they said that is a member of West Papua National Liberation Army, but that's wrong. So I'm asking the UN Permanent Forum recommend to the UN Trusteeship Council to set up back the resolution 448, the resolution 1752 back into agenda of the Trusteeship Council, because the mining conspiracy make our territory removed from the list of non-self-governing territory and put back to the trusteeship territory. So this is the obligation of the United Nations to set up back resolution 1752 back into agenda of the trusteeship council in this year too, in September. So they will discuss. So the colonialism must end in my ancestral land. Thank you so much.
Okay, Honorable Chair, respected elders, and fellow indigenous people, I stand before you today as a representative of the Acehnese people in Sumatra, who have been fighting for our right to self-determination for centuries. Our struggle is not just about political independence, but about the survival of our culture, our language, and our very identity. For too long, we have been marginalized, colonized, and oppressed by foreign powers. Our natural resources has been exploited, our land has been taken, and our people has been killed or forced to flee. But we have never been given up our dream of independence. We, the Acehnese people, have unique culture and history that is distinct from the rest of Indonesia. We have our own language, our own religion, and our own custom, but we have been forced to assimilate into Indonesian culture, and our identity has been erased. We are not seeking a special treatment, but equal right and recognition as indigenous people. We want the right to govern ourselves, to control our own resources, and to preserve our own culture. I urge the international community to support our struggle for independence. We are not alone in this fight. There are many other indigenous people around the world who are fighting similar struggles. Let us stand together, guys, and fight for our rights. Let us celebrate our diversity and our differences. Let us work toward a world where indigenous people are respected, recognized, and free. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nyo rakan-rakan memandum ke bangsa Aceh yang na mantabodenya uronyo lon ba kanto PBB urau Jumaat dalam acara Forum Indigenous People minggu phone urau Jumaat. Kamu alhamdulillah kita menggeno ka 3 minggu dengan rakan-rakan lain dapat dari Papua. Nyo kamu pas medang di ke kantor PBB. Ya, jadi sabi lombegah kita tajak kena tak pegah perkara merdeka. Ya, jadi kita hana tajak kena untuk tak pegah perkara-perkara lain. Betatupa lagi dia memandum. Katanya perle tacok nanggro draw watu sebab nanggro katanya tengah dijajah legop dan memandum urang na hak merdeka dalam dunianya. Pui berahli Indonesia kero, ikli di pai kero, kemerdekaan itu adalah hak segala bangsa. Nyan menya Indonesia kan kemerdekaan itu adalah hak segala bangsa. Pelam urang-urang mantabodonya. Nyo minggunya meribe urang jagano tu misalnya urang-urang pribumi, urang yang po hak tanahnya ya pegah perkara merdeka. Jadi sebab karena rame hat urang pribumi jagano ya pegah perkara merdeka, maka na undang-undang PBB na hak bagi memandung urang pribumi untuk ya laki merdeka, untuk ya cok merdeka. Lagi kena orang pribumi, orang asli. Yang katanya orang asli yang po tanah katanya. Yang tanah Acehnya tanah katanya, kan tanah Indonesia, kan tanah Gop. Tapi kad dia cok liawaknya nornya, dia pegah tanah ji. Jadi katanya nah hak tak cok besar tanah pusaka indatunya yang kegelih ke Kubah ke katanya, supaya budget tak atur ke rawa dia dan tak pegat nang geranya nang gerau mendelat.